How to reset forgot iPhone screen time passcode. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your iPhone. Once you're here, scroll down until you find the Screen Time option and tap on it. In the Screen Time menu, scroll down and tap on Change Screen Time Passcode. From the pop-up menu, select Change Screen Time Passcode again to proceed. You will be prompted to enter your old passcode. Since you don't remember it, tap on the Forgot Passcode option at the bottom. This will take you to the Screen Time Passcode recovery page. Here, you need to enter the Apple ID and password that you used to set up Screen Time. Once you enter your credentials, you'll be able to set a new passcode. Following these steps, you can easily reset a forgotten Screen Time passcode on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.